Hey everybody, this is video number 8 in my 10-part series on the 10 ways to prioritize how you save. And step number 8 is making sure that you're maxing out your 401k contributions. So again, we're trying to keep this in order. If you've got steps 1 through 7 already taken care of, or maybe some of those steps didn't apply to you, maxing out how much goes into your 401k is huge in terms of saving for retirement. And this is one thing I just want to clarify. Whatever your employer matches, maybe your employer matches 2% or 3%, that's not the max. In 2020, if you're under the age of 50, the most that you can put into a 401k is $19,500. But I do want to make a quick disclaimer. If your 401k allows after-tax 401k contributions, well, the number could be higher than $19,500. I've got a previous video on this. I encourage you to check out my after-tax 401k video if you want to learn more about how to make those contributions. But just so you know, the IRS contribution limit for 2020 is $19,500 for those under the age of 50. If you're 50 or older in 2020, you can do an additional $6,500 on top of that. So a total of $26,000 can go into a 401k. So you might not know that number. If you did, that's great. Make sure that you're taking full advantage of getting that money tucked away. The pros and the cons of if that should be traditional or Roth, take a look at one of the previous videos, or of course, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to go through those pros and cons with you. So again, this is video number 8. I've got a couple more after this. If you're finding this interesting, again, make sure that you stick around. There's a couple more left.